Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today is a special day. We're going to be putting all the fun parts on our new Ford F450. Tire guys here. We're going to have him mount and balance these big boys, and then we'll pop over and get that leveling kit on and put it all together. Let's take a peek at his setup and what he has going on for these beautiful DDC wheels. If you haven't seen the previous episode, take a peek at these things. Got the inner one there. Oh yeah, this is what we're looking for. Look at those. Absolutely fantastic looking wheel we have here. It's going to be paired with some 35, 12.5, 22 Furies. Started on these dually wheels. Check these out. Those look really good. Really excited about those. We're gonna get that 450 pulled in and start the leveling kit. I don't think we're gonna get it finished tonight. We get it started tonight. No worries. It will all be in this episode. Get this build wrapped up.
It's still like a little wonky, but
So we have to get some customer work done before the end of the day today. So this is gonna happen first thing tomorrow. But don't go anywhere. It's gonna happen right now.
What's up, guys? It's Kyle. My baby was born. I'm back. Little update. We're back at it. I'm back in here after birthing a child. Well, I didn't birth the child. My wife birthed the child. We got the 450 on the hoist right now. Getting the STRYKER leveling kit put on it, and we're gonna get these DDCs mounted and balanced and get some rollers for you guys and give you a rundown on the leveling kit once it's on.
It's gonna be the first project.
Oh, I don't want to say that. Then we sound incompetent. Let's just say I have like 18 irons in the fire right now, and this is gonna be one of the first ones that actually gets finished around here. I just black out when I'm behind the computer online with auctions. And then we'll talk about it when it's done. And then we'll drive it. What do you want me to talk about? Here we have the DDC 22s. These are the aftermaths and polished. I don't have a squeaky shoe anymore.
Oh!
STRYKER makes one of the best leveling kit for these 450s. Press brake coils. It's got the limited buckets, their shocks. Track bar drop brackets already getting put on. Mario's working on it, or a dock worker. Brooke's actually part-time stock shipping containers in the port of Seattle. What are you smirking at, Will? We got the 24 450 all wrapped up, 24 limited. It's got about 11,000 miles on it. We did the DDC super singles, 22s in polish. These are the aftermaths, wrapped in some Fury tires. We have the STRYKER leveling kit, the limited badging. which you can see right down here. Front and rear shocks, track bar drop. Rides great, rides better than stock. She's ready for her new home. That'll be hitting the website for sale here shortly. Let us know in the comments what you want us to build next. We're thinking about a single rear wheel, Chevy, GMC. What do you guys want? We will build it. And do you want to see the actual install, or do you like the more overview videos? What do you guys prefer? Thanks for watching, and catch us on the next one. Like and subscribe. I sounded German. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Follow us, and we got some pretty cool builds coming out. Catch us on the flip side.
We'll work on your sign-offs.
My sign-offs have been terrible. Kyle, signing off.